How to turn on lockdown mode on iPhone. Lockdown mode is a powerful feature designed to protect against highly sophisticated cyber threats. In this video, I'll show you how to enable it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll to the bottom and select Lockdown mode. Here, you'll see information about how lockdown mode works. This feature is designed for users who may be at risk of targeted cyber attacks, and it restricts certain features to improve security. To continue, tap Turn on Lockdown mode. You'll see a summary of the protections and restrictions that will be enabled. Review the information, then tap Turn on Lockdown mode again. Then tap on Turn on and restart. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. Your iPhone may restart, and once it's back on, lockdown mode will be active. Keep in mind that while lockdown mode increases security, it also limits some features in apps, messages, web browsing, and FaceTime. These restrictions are applied automatically and can't be customized individually. If you ever want to disable lockdown mode, simply return to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Lockdown mode, and tap Turn off lockdown mode. And that's how to enable lockdown mode on your iPhone for maximum security and privacy protection. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and security guides.